Can you add hashtags on TikTok after posting? Let's find out by opening our TikTok app. Now, if you want to head over to the profile section, and over here, simply open any video. If you tap on the three dots, from here you can check that there is no option to edit your TikTok post after you have posted it. So here there is no such option of editing. You can check over here as well. There is option to edit profile, but there is no option to edit the video itself. So as of now, TikTok does not make this feature available where you can edit your posts after you have posted it. So there is no option of adding the hashtags, as there is no option of editing your post. So if you want to add hashtags after posting your TikTok post, what you can do is you can simply tap on the three dots and then scroll over and tap on delete. So you can simply delete this post and then re-upload it with the hashtag. So as of now, this is the only thing you can do. And that is it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.